Hello, this is Ralph Mahalik Jr., the Low Payment King. We're very proud and excited to announce the Declaration of Deals. We want to save you money right now when you come see the Low Payment Kings and drive home one of our award-winning Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, or Fiat models. Join us for an exciting test drive. And right now, you can take advantage of 0% APR financing for up to 60 months on many of our award-winning models, plus no payments for 90 days, or we'll pay your sales tax if you prefer, right? In Michigan, Ohio, or Florida, any of our stores, or anywhere in America for that matter, we can pay your state sales tax if you wish, or take advantage of great lease programs on many of our award-winning models. We got some amazing lease deals going on this spring that you can take advantage of. A myriad of deals going on with the Low Payment Kings. Whether you want to own or lease, come see the Low Payment Kings to take advantage of the Declaration of Deals. Again, we can put together a combination of incentives for you. You want 0% APR and no payments for 90 days? We can do that. You want to take advantage of rebates and bonus cash, plus no payments for 90 days? We can do that. You want to take advantage of a great lease deal? We can do that. You want us to pay your sales tax and enjoy no monthly payments for the next 90 days? We can do that. The Low Payment Kings are very proud and excited to bring you the Declaration of Deals. Farmers and ranchers, please contact the Low Payment Kings so we can show you how you can enjoy savings and benefits up to $85,000 when you purchase or lease select new or used models from the Low Payment Kings. Business owners, we have special deals for you on new and used trucks, vans, and SUVs that'll satisfy your business, and special incentives for all business owners as part of our Business Link program. We can enroll you for free in our Business Link program and give you all the benefits you deserve. I also want to congratulate our 5-star teams for winning the Carfax Top Rated Lifetime Dealer Award again this year at all 6 stores. So please join us soon for an exciting test drive. Call us toll free or visit lowpaymentkings.com, where you can view hundreds of vehicles, videos, and Low Payment King specials. You can apply for a job, get pre-approved for your car loan, schedule a service appointment, all at lowpaymentkings.com.